Hello friends, welcome to my channel 10 Minutes Cloud Learning. In this video, we will focus on understanding what is hashing algorithm and what is its impact on blockchain technology. Before we start with hashing algorithm, we need to understand how does a block looks like in case of a blockchain. And we will see how the hashing algorithm is being used there. This is a depiction of block and how does it look like. It has informations like block number, previous hash and current hash, transaction data and timestamp. In case of a typical blockchain, we will have many blocks. And each block is connected with the other block, as per the diagram. It's essential that the second block is able to identify the first one and the third block is able to identify the second block, and this is possible through a unique identifier. And in case of blockchain technology, a hash does the job of unique identification. This hash is like a fingerprint which can be used to identify the block to which it's associated with. Now the block number 2 is able to point to the previous hash, as it has a pointer which tells what is its previous block. As you can see, the previous hash of block 2 matches with the hash value of block 1. And this is how these two blocks are able to point to each other. Other thing to notice here is that, for the first block, previous hash value is 000, because it's the first block in the blockchain and there is no previous block associated with it. This is also called as Genesis block. Now when a third block gets added to the blockchain, you can notice that the previous hash of block 3 matches with the hash value of block 2. And this is how block number 3 is able to link with block number 2. Now let's understand what are the 5 requirements for the hashing algorithm. First is it's one way. It means, using hash algorithm we can transform the data to encrypted data, but the reverse is not possible, that we cannot use the same hashing algorithm to transform the encrypted data to data. Second is, it's deterministic. Which means, the hashing algorithm will produce the same output for a given output, no matter how many times you run the algorithm against the same data set. For example, if you give an input of let's say ABC, then the SHA-256 algorithm will always generate the output of this as depicted in the screen. Third one is fast computation. When we encrypt the data using the hashing algorithm, then it should not take much time to convert it into an encrypted format. Fourth one is withstand collision. This means that no hacker should be allowed to hack easily. If the hackers were able to hack the encrypted data format, then it will be very difficult to trust the blockchain platform. Next one in the series is avalanche effect. Now what is this? Let's understand it through some example. As per this diagram, we have fed some data to the SHA-256 algorithm, which had generated this encrypted data. Avalanche effect tells that, if you make any minute change to the input data, then the entire encrypted data will be changed. Let's see through a demonstration. Let me go to a site which will convert the text into an encrypted text. As you can see, here I typed good and it generated this. Now let's change the text from good to something else. Let's say we added an extra one, and the has generated as different. If you see, the earlier hash value and the new hash value is completely different. And now I will remove one, and regenerate the hash, and you will see that we will get back the same hash which was generated for the text, good. As you can see, both are same. Which proves that for a given input, the generated output will be always the same. And in case of avalanche effect, as you can see, if we change the text, the entire hash value gets changed. You can also try this from your end by opening the link mentioned here. I hope the video was informative. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.